Hi, we're Ditto, and we produce experiences in film, music, and the arts. Are you a filmmaker, a photographer, a musician, an artist, or a writer? And would you like your work to appear at the Tabernacle? The Tabernacle, iconic and historic, a place that has always been at the centre of Notting Hill life, Notting Hill culture. From the first mixed black and white audiences to legendary performances from the Rolling Stones, Pink Floyd, The Clash, Aswad, R.E.M., The Good, The Bad, The Queen, Corny Pine, and Santana. The Tabernacle is a venue that has always pushed the boundaries of performance and the inclusion of all the community. Send us original finished work, no longer than 3 minutes in length, inspired by the themes of sin or virtue. We'll be choosing the best entries to showcase at a live performance on Saturday the 10th of October. The Tabernacle, iconic, historic, Notting Hill, and it goes a little something like this.